separated his aunt from the crowd, took her up to the second floor under the guise of having a personal conversation with her, demanded money at gunpoint, and when she dared to fight back, pointed that gun at her head, made her get on her knees, beg for her life before he put 4 bullets in her brain.
That prosecutor sat up there and gave you a great story. Only thing she didn't pass out was popcorn. Because the person who she just described killed somebody is extra human. That's Superman. What you heard, if you listen carefully. This one man, this pipsqueak of a client of mine, killed 2 male adults, beat one to death with his bare hands, and nobody ran out the house for help. And what's the motive? The motive was robbery? He's gonna rob his whole family who he already knows is broke. They live in Gage Park, not Tinley Park.
Having real estate and jewelry and having $1 million of cash, and by the way, I don't know about you, I've never seen before this case $1 million in cash in one place. That's not illegal. But here's the problem for Mr. Lloyd. He has no other source of income.
Some of those insects were government agents. They refer to themselves as special agents. You know how special they are? Because they can especially come into this courtroom and especially lie to each one of you. And guess what? You got something special for them.
Lawyers, the most important skill of any trial attorney are these things, your ears. And I say this quite often even now. Listening is twice as important as speaking. That's why God blessed you with 2 ears and 1 mouth.
When it's your witness, especially if that's your client, you want them to be the star. You want them to tell the story. Now you're the director. You direct the story, of course, but you want them to be the ones that tell the story. And part of that is by
the information needs to be on the person that's on the witness stand. So if you see the jury focusing on you, you're doing something wrong.
It is my job to make sure I have experts on every issue in the case and an expert ready to respond to the defense in the case.
The significance of this moment extends beyond family lineage. It reflects the passing of the gavel and the torch and values from one generation to the next.